A woman who claims to be the mother of one of three dancers who was burnt to death at a St. Mary nightclub on Wednesday is pleading for answers this evening. Grace Hunter Hardy says information she's received so far suggests the fire was deliberately set. Now, neither the police nor firefighters have confirmed this, but the mother is also questioning what she says are discrepancies in reports from those investigating the triple tragedy. We have more from TVJ's Krista Campbell.
I need justice.
Pleas from a woman who says she lost her daughter in the nightclub fire in St. Mary, which claimed the lives of three dancers early Wednesday morning. Grace Hunter Hardy turned up at Broadcast House on Saturday, claiming discrepancies in the reports she's been given about what happened to her daughter, Shanake Sims.
I'm not getting any answer from the boss that owned the nightclub. His story are not being adding up.
She says she gave a statement to the Port Maria police in St. Mary on Friday, but still has more questions than answers about what really happened to the young woman, like what caused the fire.
The boss told me that one of the clients, one of the workers and the girl and a man have an argument over 15 bills and buying her. And he have an argument and he throw the rum on the counter and light it. He can't tell me if the man walk away. Who is that man? Where that man come from?
She's also questioning the state of the dancers who died in the blaze because of what she said firefighters told her when she visited the nightclub on Friday.
They told me at the station that the body had been burned out to ashes and a little bone. So they have to do me a DNA. They will call me to do a DNA for an answer. And I've heard when I've been in the burned down building, the firefighter come on the scene when I was there and told me that they took up 3 bodies from this building, 2 under the bed and a slim girl at the doorway. I took the picture of the place with the burn. The mattress is a foam mattress. The bed is a board bottom. If 2 underneath the bottom of that bed, the bed not burned. That bed had not been burned to ashes.
The firefighters had reported that everything had been burnt to the ground in the fire, but they are still investigating. Meanwhile, Mrs. Hunter Hardy laments that her daughter was only 29 years old and was introduced to the club by a friend. She says it was her daughter's first time at the establishment when she died. She recounted her last communication with her child.
She texts me, say, "Mommy, my head no feels so right, you know. It feels sticky." And one of my little daughter did have a flu. I said, "I wonder if you catch the flu."
The police say they cannot comment on the matter because it's under investigation, but welcome any new information that can help them piece together what really happened. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.